Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover collection interface of Java collection framework. We use Java collection framework when we want to work with a group of individual objects as a single entity. Java collection framework is consist of interfaces and their implementing classes. At the top of the Java collection framework hierarchy, we have iterable interface. Then we have collection interface. Collection interface extends iterable interface. Collection interface methods are common to the whole collection framework. Using collection interface method add, we could add an element to the collection. Using add all method, we could add one collection elements to the other collection. Using remove method, we could remove an element from the collection. Using remove all method, we could remove one collection elements from the other collection. Using clear method, we could clear the collection. Using isEmpty method, we could check if the collection is empty or not. Using contains method, we could check if a particular element is present or not in the collection. Using contains all method, we could check if one collection elements are present in another collection. Using retain all method, we could retain particular elements in the collection and remove the rest. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.